Marigold herb. Also known as pot marigold, calendula was an important medicine in ancient Greece, Rome, and Arabia. It was most commonly used as a skin treatment, with preparations used for treating minor wounds, callouses, insect bites and stings, eczema, itches, burns, and hemorrhoids. What is marigold herb good for? The main medicinal applications of marigold are skin conditions of all kinds, including contusions, bruises, and varicose veins. Minor skin injuries and inflammation can also be successfully treated. Marigold ointment promotes wound healing for eczema and sunburns. How do you use marigold herbs? For ingestion, combine marigold blossoms with warm water to create a calendula tea. Marigold is generally known as the herb to address cuts, sores, and general skin care. For this purpose, marigold compares with other Hildegard healing herbs, including yarrow and violet. Can I eat marigolds? Marigolds are eaten as petals or leaves, raw or blanched, fresh or dry, sweet or savory. To prepare marigolds, pull entire petals from the stem, and as you hold them firmly in your hand, with scissors cut off the white, or pale greenish, heels, as this could give a bitter taste if not removed. Can you use marigolds for tea? Dried marigold flowers can be used to make tea. Dry the flower petals at a low temperature, and then boil water, and add a tablespoon of dried flowers to the pot of tea before letting it steep. How do you use marigold leaves? It has a bitter and astringent taste. The paste of the leaf is applied over the area to treat muscle pain and rheumatism. It acts as an anti-inflammatory. Cold infusion of the plant is used to treat bronchitis, asthma, and cough.